Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by signing into the Google account whose map location you want to change. Open Google Maps on your device and make sure the app or browser is updated. Outdated clients can block location tools. Once done, enable location services for maps and clear cached location history if it conflicts, because old data can force the app to snap back. Now tap the blue location dot or the profile menu to begin adjusting your current place and preferences. You'll now place the new location precisely. On desktop, zoom in and right-click to drop a pin or use What's Here. To capture coordinates, then choose Save or create a label. On mobile, tap the blue dot and select Set as Start or Drop a Pin. On Android, advanced users can enable developer mock locations to simulate GPS. Make sure to zoom close and nudge the pin for exactness, because small cursor shifts can move placement hundreds of feet. Finish by saving the pin as a labeled place or sharing the coordinates so your change persists and syncs to other devices. If Maps reverts or ignores the edit, restart the app, toggle location services off and on, and clear app cache or data. On desktop, try a hard refresh or sign out and back in. Once you've tried that, test in incognito or a different account to isolate the issue, and contact Google support only if the problem remains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.